Solving a linear system by the process of elimination. Solving by elimination means eliminating one of the two variables by manipulating the equations through addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. You then solve for the single variable and use that solution to get the value of the other variable. Let's do an example. Find the solution of this system. 3x plus 2y equals 19 and 5x minus 2y equals 5. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write them one above the other and number them. So my first equation is 3x plus 2y equals 19. I label that equation 1. And then I've got 5x minus 2y equals 5. I write that as equation 2. If I look at them, I'd like to find a basic operation I can do to combine them so that one of these two variables will disappear. If you notice, there's a plus 2 on the y here and a minus 2 on the y in the second equation. If I go a plus 2 plus a negative 2, if I add them together, the y terms will disappear, and I can solve for x. So, since I'm going to add my two equations together, first thing I do is I write a little statement underneath. I draw a line and I say 1 plus 2. That indicates that I'm adding equation 1 with equation 2. So now I just go ahead and add down. So 3x plus 5x is 8x, plus 2y plus negative 2y gives me a 0. 19 plus 5 is 24. I've now got one variable. 8x equals 24. If I divide both sides by 8, I get x equals 3. That is the x-coordinate of the solution. I will now take that value and substitute it into either equation to find out what the y value is. I'm going to use equation 1 just for simplicity. So I'm going to substitute in x equals 3 wherever I see an x. So I get 3 times 3 plus 2y equals 19. 9 plus 2y is 19. I'd like to get rid of this 9, so I'll subtract it from both sides. That gives me 2y equals 10. And if I divide both sides by 2, I get y equals 5. So this tells me that the solution is 3, 5. I'd like to check this to make sure it's the right solution, that I didn't make a mistake. To do that, I'm going to check this answer in the other equation. So I'm going to check the solution in equation 2. I'll do that with the left side, right side check. So my equation 2 is 5x minus 2y equals 5. I'll plug in the x and the y values. So 5 times 3 and negative 2 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. My left side equals my right side. Since my left side equals my right side, this is the correct solution to this system. Thank you for visiting this lesson.